Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. We got a special unboxing, something coming in from Levi Weaver. I don't know what this is. He said something, he was sending something, and I was like, wow, thank you. Let's take a look at this together and be surprised, because I'm pretty psyched. Hopefully you are too. All right, today I'm opening up my box with my Hive Mind with Colin's Crazy Creations anodization. This thing is crazy. Got this at Blade Show, Texas. Yeah, this is fun. We'll just get right into it. If you probably already saw the video on this guy, but... All right, so we got a note. Let me make sure it's something I can share with you. Let me read this first. All right. Okay. Thanks, Rob, for all you do. The great content and keeping Mondays rocking. Here's some goodies and something for the channel I made. Ooh, he made something for the channel. Okay. Here we go. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, no. Is this, oh yes, this is Levi. I love these chips. I absolutely love these chips. These are so good. These are Hawaiian chips. These are so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, the macadamia nuts. Dude, this is like crack in a bag. Okay, YouTube, don't demonetize this. I don't mean crack like real drugs, you know what I mean? Just really delicious, wonderful goodness. Wow. Man, dude. That's amazing. And I'm assuming this is what you made. Let's make sure I didn't miss anything, because sometimes I assume there's nothing below. There could be something hidden. But first of all, these are the Maui Loa dry roasted macadamia nuts with garlic. Oh, my wife's gonna love these. She might steal these. I better take some before she gets them. The milk chocolate, I absolutely love these things. These are just, I bet these are really, really good. I do need to eat more nuts to get my high cholesterol up, my HDLs, so I got an excuse, right? I got an excuse. I got to eat these. I mean, it's got to be done. And these chips are freaking amazing. If you've never tried these, you've got to try these. They're like, and I don't want to ruin it, because if you're not a fan of Dorito, they're not like Doritos, but it's what I can sort of relate it to. They're like a Dorito without being at all like a Dorito, but being sweet without being weird, okay? Just don't take that and totally dismiss it if you've never tried these and you get a chance to, but they are really good. These are awesome. Thank you, man, Levi. I appreciate it. Now we're going to take a look at what you made. I am super psyched about that. So let's see what we got going on here. Okay. Sometimes I feel like some of the stuff I'm not worthy. All right. So don't damage your products. Okay. So be careful. All right. So it's double wrapped. Ooh, this is okay. So I want to be real careful how I open this. Nice that this knife is pretty sharp here. So I should be able to get into it pretty good. All right, we'll do real careful over here. All right, what do we got? Oh, what do we got? What do we got? Oh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Dude, are you freaking kidding me? Oh my gosh. I'm about to use cuss words and get myself in trouble, which I don't ever do, but are you kidding me? Okay, dude, I'm seriously touched, man. I am beyond honored, dude. Wow. Seriously, dude, I don't have words for this. Wow. That is really cool, man. I don't have words for that. I'm speechless. Thank you. Thank you. Sincerely, thank you. I love this channel. I love you guys. I really do. I got emotional here. Sorry, guys. Wow. Levi, thank you, man. I don't have words to say. This is such an honor. I am totally blown away. So honored. This is beyond anything I could ever even hope for. I got to look at this, but I'm just, the fact of what it is, I don't know what to say, man. Oh, wow. Let's look at one of these. I'm going to have to hopefully maybe edit that out. I have an alarm that tells me it's time to go to bed, so. Oh, how does this open? There's usually, yep, there it is. So usually a little thing you can pull right there. gosh. Oh my gosh. 42 Stacy bolstered blades with her stickers, which I love. Now Levi Weaver with, I don't know if this is brass or copper or what it is, but man, I'm keeping one of these, my man. I don't know if they're meant for giveaways, but I am absolutely keeping one of these. This is something I am going to cherish no matter what this channel ever does. It's going in. I have things that I keep that are very meaningful to me. Things like Hoffy has done over the years with his 3D printing, stickers, Stacy has given, all the different folks have done. I keep a little something to remember them by. If you give something to the channel, something like this that blows me away, I keep something, right? We got Rebel Rouser 777. I should probably tell him I'm keeping one of those veteran coins just because of what it means to me, and I hope that doesn't offend you. I mean, I'm not a veteran, I know it, and if it does, then I will give it away. But I wanted to always remember that because it was so special. Like this is right here. This is really, really amazing. Dude, wow. This blows me away. This really, really blows me away. Thank you, man. I don't have words for this. I don't know. I don't know how to. I'm at a loss for words. I am an absolute loss for words. I mean, you're sending amazing nuts, which is nutty, and I mean that literally and figuratively. I mean, it's sweet with milk chocolate and the macadamia nuts, right? And man, you know, you make sure the chips are here in the bags and not on my shoulders because of your kindness. How many dad jokes can I make out of this? I don't know. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to roll here, so sorry. But man, thank you. Thank you, Levi. I got emotional, man. What did you do to me? Dude, you totally, you floored me. I don't know how to react to this one. I am just, wow. Thank you, man. Thank you. I don't think there's enough to be said, but thank you. It is an incredible honor, and wow, you guys are amazing. I appreciate every one of you out there. Levi, wow, just wow. I can't add to this except to say thank you. And the one rambling I will say is, you know, I did this channel. My son said you should do it, and I thought, okay, I'll do it. I like knives, and I thought I'd do a little content. I figured I'd give my nerdy perspective on it because, you know, I'm not quite nerdy like Kevin from Knife Nerdery. He is uber nerd engineer guy, and I respect the guy so much. I'm not a super aesthetic, you know, user like Metal Complex. I mean, he's high end, super fancy knives, and I respect the snot out of that guy. I'm not, you know, like I'm not a sharpener. I'm nowhere near the level of expertise with sharpening and understanding sharpening like Jared, you know, Neves Knives, and so many of you other guys out there just blow me away. I just have a perspective of a nerdy guy who loves knives, and that's all I am. I accept it. I'm okay with it, and I appreciate it, and I appreciate the fact that you seem to enjoy this and are part of the community. I take the honor of you being part of the community as not validation of me, but validation of what we're doing here as a community. You know what I mean? That's what I see here. That's what I see in the community. So you guys blow me away. There's so many of you. I could spend an hour just thanking so many different people. And this right now, I'm focused on Levi. So Levi, thank you. You are a scholar, gentleman. You're awesome. You're blow me away. I don't know what to say. I'm just looking for words, man. I am lost for words here. I just want to say thank you. If you were at the Texas Blade Show, man, I'd give you a high five, a shake, a hug, whatever. I don't know, man. I thank you. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. You know what I mean? Like the Bud Light, old Bud Light commercial. You know, I love you, man. I love you. But I do. I appreciate every one of you guys out there. All right. Whew. How do you wrap this up? How do you go on from this? I don't know. I really don't. But I'm gonna have to. So, thank you. If you found this content fun, interesting, maybe laughable because I'm you know, a softie or whatever, and just don't know how to convey this well. I get a tongue-tied and a loss for words with stuff like this. Thank you. If you found any of that, something that you would enjoy, consider hitting that like button. And if you've already hit the like button, maybe also consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the channel, it does help out. I know people ask that, but it really does. It allows the channel to grow. Allows me to do more things, produce more content, more things for you guys. Gives me, a chance to deal with companies and look at things and possibly give you my perspective, hopefully to help you out to make better purchases and see if there's something you might like, or find something maybe you haven't heard of, or something you were wondering about. That's my whole goal here, right? It's I get to check out knives, and I'm excited about that. But it's a way for me to share that and give you my thoughts. You don't have to agree with me. Matter of fact, when I share something that I don't like, and if you know that's the thing you like, and if you know I don't like it, and anytime I don't like it, you've liked it, hey, that's information that you can use, right? I do that with a lot of other channels, just so you know. There's some, if I hear Lefty talk about that's a nice strong detent, I know immediately, unless I'm willing to tune that knife, that's an unusable detent for me. I cannot use it. Now, some of you guys, you love the super crispy, crunchy detents, and that will tell you, yes, go for it. But I know that with Kevin, he loves super crunchy, crispy, strong detents. And if he says it's an okay detent, it's usually going to be a good detent for me. I'm going to really like it, right? If he says it's a weak detent, I might be okay with the detent, right? Maybe not. I mean, sometimes a weak detent can be just basically weak, but sorry, I'm rambling. All right. I just don't know what to say, man. But if you found any of this interesting, helpful, consider liking this channel, consider subscribing. It really does help. I mean that. It really does. And if you haven't already, consider hitting that notification button as well, so you can be notified of future content. Thank you to everyone out there who watches, who enjoys the community, who's part of the community, who's part of live streams. Thank you. If you, I want to say thank you to channel members. You do something special as well. Channel members, you encourage me just by being members. There's many times when I did this channel, I thought I was, I don't know if I wanted to keep doing it, but the community, first of all, was huge. But the channel members, you very specifically encouraged me, and you really, really, I don't know, you were the force sometimes behind me keep going, and not in a bad way, but you know what I mean? It's kind of like when you go to the gym, you want to work out, buddy. You want somebody to lift you up, to encourage you to go. You want to go. Once you get there, you want to keep doing it, but it's always nice to have someone there to and you can encourage and they can encourage you. And I feel like that's what it is. That's what this community is about. You encourage me, I get to encourage you as a bonus, right? Hopefully I'm doing that. We'll see. But just thank you. So channel members, I appreciate you. Also, because of your generous support, I can check out knives, borrow knives, cover the cost of shipping, get a budget banger giveaways, member giveaways, milestone giveaways. We can do all that and more, right? So those are things that we can do. Those are things that can happen here at this channel thanks to you guys. So I just want you to know that. Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys. I'm like, my brain can't function. Channel members, I want to do two things for you guys, right? One, brand new channel members, email me your name and address and tell me you're a brand new channel member. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a little handwritten note saying thank you. I want to do that as long as I possibly can. I know the channel's growing. Make them a point. That may be harder to do, but I'm going to keep trying to do that. Secondly, all channel members are eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we do a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month we'll have 2 giveaways. Members, you're eligible for both. You could win both, right? And that members giveaway is definitely a little bit nicer than a budget banger giveaway, something hopefully you enjoy winning as a prize or giving as a gift. If that sounds cool to you, seriously, if it sounds cool, there's a link down below in the description. I have 3 different tiers of memberships: low, medium, high. If you feel pressure to do this and don't do it. Don't do it. But if you choose to become a member, thank you. I appreciate you so very much. All right, some of you guys are gonna say, hey, what about the emojis that you can do here in the live stream? What about the kazoo salutes for being members? What about for milestones? What about anniversaries? What about the exclusive content? Yes, there's all that more, right? There is all of that. They're my small ways to say thank you and let you know how much I appreciate you. So yeah, thank you. You guys are truly amazing. So I do appreciate you. I keep wanting to do more. I keep trying to make that happen. So as the channel grows, I'm gonna keep doing more as I can, as I possibly can, right? So appreciate you guys. All right, if you haven't already, I do have an Instagram page as well, so maybe check me out at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.